ChatGPT Plus for 1 year. Hello guys, if you are interested to get ChatGPT Plus for 1 year or ChatGPT Go for 1 year, you can watch this video till end. Okay. In this video, I will show you something about ChatGPT Plus and ChatGPT Go 1 year offers. Okay. You can see there. I have subscribed ChatGPT 1 year plus, and now I am going to subscribe ChatGPT Go for 1 year. Okay. I'm creating the account of ChatGPT here, and after that enter the details. You can see there, this is free version of ChatGPT Pro Traders free. Okay, so I will upgrade this to ChatGPT Go for 1 year, and I will show you the validity expiration date of this. You can see there, I have followed the process in backend, and now it has been turned into ChatGPT Go for 1 year. You can see there, this is the same email address, and you can see there, ChatGPT Go has been activated. In the start of the video, I have showed you ChatGPT Plus 1 year activation. Okay, so the plan will be end on April 11, 2027. So if you are interested to get this ChatGPT Go or ChatGPT Plus 1 year or ChatGPT Plus 1 month, you can contact me on my WhatsApp or Telegram. I will provide you my WhatsApp and Telegram link in the comment of this video. Also, you can find the link in descriptions of this video. Okay. So the account was free. Now it has been successfully converted to Go account. Okay. Basically, these are the plans: Plus, Go Plus, and Pro plans of ChatGPT. And you can see there. So there are so many features. If you want to use for the simple works, okay, you can use ChatGPT Go. If you have a heavy work, okay, you